Welcome to Brick by Brick Realty. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing various industries, and real estate investment is no exception. As we step into a new era of technology, AI is becoming an indispensable tool for investors looking to navigate the complexities of the real estate market. From predictive analytics to automated property management, AI is transforming how we buy, sell, and manage properties. Imagine having access to data-driven insights that can help you identify the best investment opportunities before they even hit the market. With AI, this is not just a dream, it's becoming a reality. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can uncover trends and patterns that human investors might overlook. This means you can make more informed decisions, minimizing risks and maximizing returns. Moreover, AI enhances the efficiency of investment strategies. Tasks that once took hours or even days can now be completed in a fraction of the time. Whether it's evaluating property values, predicting market shifts, or streamlining tenant communications, AI is here to simplify the process. As we delve deeper into this topic, we'll explore how AI tools are reshaping the landscape of real estate investment. We'll discuss the various applications of AI, from virtual property tours to smart contracts, and how these innovations can lead to better decision-making. So, if you're curious about how technology is paving the way for the future of real estate investment, stay tuned. The potential is immense, and the opportunities are just beginning to unfold. Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed and trained to think and learn like humans. In the context of real estate, AI encompasses several core components, including machine learning, natural language processing, and data analytics. These technologies work together to analyze vast amounts of data, enabling investors to make smarter decisions. Machine learning, a subset of AI, allows systems to learn from data patterns and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. In real estate, this technology is used to predict property values, assess market trends, and identify potential investment opportunities. For instance, machine learning algorithms can analyze historical sales data, economic indicators, and neighborhood demographics to forecast future property prices, giving investors a competitive edge. Data analytics is another crucial aspect of AI in real estate. By processing large datasets, AI can uncover insights that inform investment strategies. For example, data analytics tools can evaluate tenant behavior, helping property managers optimize rental pricing and reduce vacancy rates. Additionally, AI-driven platforms can analyze social media trends and online reviews to gauge the desirability of specific locations. Currently, these AI technologies are being utilized in various ways within the property investment sector. From automated property valuations to virtual property tours powered by AI, the applications are vast. Investors can leverage these tools to streamline their processes, enhance decision-making, and ultimately achieve better returns on their investments. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on real estate will only grow, making it an essential component of modern investment strategies. In the fast-paced world of real estate, understanding market trends and property values is crucial for investors looking to make informed decisions. This is where artificial intelligence comes into play, significantly enhancing market analysis capabilities. By leveraging advanced algorithms and vast datasets, AI can predict market trends with remarkable accuracy, allowing investors to stay ahead of the curve. One of the primary roles of AI in market analysis is its ability to analyze historical data and identify patterns that may indicate future performance. For instance, AI can assess factors such as economic indicators, demographic shifts, and local market conditions to forecast property values. This predictive capability empowers investors to make strategic decisions about when to buy or sell properties, ultimately maximizing their returns. The benefits of data-driven insights are immense. With AI, investors can access real-time information that helps them understand market dynamics better. This leads to more informed investment decisions, reducing the risks associated with traditional methods that rely heavily on intuition or outdated data. By utilizing AI-driven insights, investors can identify emerging markets, evaluate investment opportunities, and optimize their portfolios. Several AI tools are currently available to assist in market analysis. Platforms like Zillow and Redfin use AI algorithms to provide property valuations and market forecasts, while tools like House Canary offer comprehensive analytics for real estate investors. Additionally, companies like Reonomy leverage AI to analyze commercial real estate data, helping investors uncover hidden opportunities. In the realm of real estate investment, understanding and managing risks is paramount to achieving long-term success. Artificial intelligence, AI, plays a pivotal role in assessing and managing these investment risks by analyzing various risk factors associated with properties. By leveraging advanced algorithms and extensive datasets, AI can identify potential pitfalls that investors may overlook, providing a more comprehensive view of the investment landscape. One of the key advantages of AI in risk management is its ability to utilize predictive analytics. This technology allows investors to forecast potential risks by analyzing historical data and identifying patterns that may indicate future challenges. For example, AI can assess factors such as market volatility, economic conditions, and neighborhood crime rates to predict how these elements might impact property values. This proactive approach enables investors to make informed decisions and take necessary precautions before committing to an investment. Several case studies illustrate the effectiveness of AI in mitigating investment risks. For instance, a prominent real estate investment firm implemented an AI-driven risk assessment tool that analyzed thousands of properties across various markets. By identifying high-risk investments based on predictive analytics, the firm was able to avoid significant losses and focus on more promising opportunities. Another example involves a property management company that used AI to monitor tenant behavior and predict potential defaults on rent payments. This early warning system allowed them to take action before issues escalated, ultimately protecting their investment. In the competitive world of real estate, providing an exceptional customer experience is essential for attracting and retaining clients. Artificial intelligence is at the forefront of this transformation, significantly improving the way buyers and sellers interact with the market. By integrating AI applications such as chatbots and virtual tours, real estate professionals can streamline transactions and create more engaging experiences for their clients. Chatbots are one of the most effective AI tools in enhancing customer experience. Available 24/7, these virtual assistants can answer common questions, schedule property viewings, and provide instant information about listings. This immediate access to information not only saves time for both agents and clients, but also ensures that potential buyers feel supported throughout their journey. By handling routine inquiries, chatbots allow real estate agents to focus on more complex tasks, ultimately improving service quality. Virtual tours are another innovative application of AI that enhances the customer experience. These immersive experiences allow potential buyers to explore properties from the comfort of their own homes, making it easier to narrow down their options before scheduling in-person visits. This technology not only saves time, but also helps clients visualize the space, leading to more informed decisions. Personalization is key in today's real estate market, and AI plays a crucial role in delivering tailored experiences. By analyzing client preferences and behaviors, AI can recommend properties that align with individual needs and desires. This level of personalization fosters a deeper connection between clients and agents, ultimately leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. As we look ahead, the integration of artificial intelligence in real estate investment is poised to evolve even further, driven by emerging technologies and innovative applications. One significant trend is the rise of blockchain technology, which, when combined with AI, could enhance transparency and security in real estate transactions. Smart contracts powered by AI could automate processes, reducing the need for intermediaries and streamlining transactions. Another promising development is the use of augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, in property showcasing. These technologies can provide immersive experiences that allow potential buyers to visualize properties in a more engaging way. Imagine being able to walk through a property from anywhere in the world, making the buying process more efficient and appealing. However, as with any technological advancement, there are potential challenges and ethical considerations to address. Issues such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for job displacement in the real estate sector must be carefully navigated. Ensuring that AI systems are transparent and fair will be crucial in maintaining trust among clients and stakeholders. As these trends unfold, it is essential for real estate professionals and investors to stay informed about technological advancements. Understanding how AI and related technologies can impact investment strategies will be vital for success in an increasingly competitive market. By keeping an eye on emerging innovations and being proactive in adapting to changes, investors can position themselves to leverage AI effectively and capitalize on new opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on real estate and technology. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable information and insights that can enhance your investment strategies. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might benefit from understanding how AI is revolutionizing the real estate industry.